Oh.
I feel tired and feel thought like a very strong. Walking down like a street, I never get a relaxedness found. So I getting one my friend and we just won. So like traveling is going to fantastic. So we keep it head on, yeah. So what do you think, Bruno? Do you like a uh, song of Bruno Mars?
Grenade.
Grenade. Oh yeah, grenade. So very strong. Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Life is going on. So sometimes I do like this, and sometimes do like this, bro.
Ooh.
Like this. Everything is going on. Life is ups and down. So we moving, keep going on. Today is going to fantastic, and we are Shivapuri National Park. Sometimes life is like dark, sometimes lights. So we meditations and sometimes yoga, pranayama, pranayama like this. That's the one. Yeah. But I have did more quiet now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.